Is this on? Hi guys, Z here, and I literally just got back from my 2-day seminar with my fellow teachers held at Bataan here in the Philippines. I just want to share that yesterday, after 4 long hours of travel by bus to the venue, we stopped by a historical site called Mount Samat, where there was a giant cross standing at the top of the mountain. So while at break, we took the time to hike up the very long path to the shrine.
Malayo pa pala. Wala pa tayo doon. But we're gonna try our best to find a good shot.
The place in Tagalog is called Dambana ng Kagitingan.
Nandito po tayo ngayon sa anong lugar to, sir?
Bataan. Ay sa Mount Samat.
Mount Samat. Samat. Hindi ko alam kung saan yan, pero
Dambana ng Kagitingan.
Dambana ng Kagitingan.
That means Altar of Bravery or Shrine of Bravery. And as you'd expect, I took the opportunity to practice shooting some cinematic footages using my DJI Ronin SC camera gimbal. But I only used my smartphone as my camera at that moment because unfortunately, I forgot to charge my actual camera before the travel. What the? But don't expect too much because I'm not a pro, just someone who loves to learn how to make videos. Better videos. And that I edited the entire thing late last night at the resort where we checked in using only the editing apps on my phone. So just basic editing stuff. But nonetheless, here's a simple final cut. Let's go check it out. I hope you like it, and if you do, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, okay? Let's go ahead. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my simple video project, shot and edited entirely on my mobile phone. It's not perfect, but I'm happy with how I did all those fancy gimbal filming while people were watching me. Check out this other video how I set up my Ronin SC for quick camera release so that not only you can transfer your camera between your gimbal and tripod in a snap, you can also instantly change your gimbal or tripod setup either with your camera or your smartphone. And all my other related videos. Thank you so much for your time guys. Z here saying let your creativity and your imagination be your passion. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.